Our 3-piece joinery router bit set includes every cutter you need to make attractive boxes, cabinets, furniture, and more. The drawer lock bit is first up. Strong, well-fit joints are the key to quality drawer construction. Minimum material thicknesses is 3/4 of an inch for the drawer front and from 1/2 inch to 3/4 inch for the sides. Using a locking joint in drawer construction provides great strength on a cabinet part that takes a lot of abuse. Next is the glue joint bit. Butting 2 pieces together for a glue joint almost always causes slippage. Our glue joint profile holds things in place and increases glue surface for stronger door panels, tabletops, and more. When properly centered, the upper and lower shoulders of the cut will be of equal height. And finally, the lock miter bit. Our 45-degree lock miter router bits create strong, accurate miter joints for kitchen cabinetry, drawers, 4-sided planners, boxes, shadow boxes, and much more. You won't appreciate the strength of this essentially hidden joint until you make your own. Set up lock miter router bits for perfect joints in minutes with minimal setup and less hassle. These 3 bits will make your projects quicker, easier, and most importantly, better looking.